My name is Lizzie Bland and I am the founder and co-owner of Lean Beam Fitness. Our studio in Bondi opened 6 years ago, and Fitness Audio came and did our speakers and our mic for that studio, which is amazing. We chose Darlinghurst because we have a huge community of people here that were requesting it. We love the area, we love the buzz. There's not many nightclubs anymore, so there's just morning nightclubs, which is here. So when Fitness Audio came and installed the mics and the speakers, it's kind of been a game changer for us. It means we can pump the music up, still be able to walk around the room and talk freely and easily. Having the mic has been a huge help, especially as we have the music really loud. I definitely feel like the clarity in the mic is really high. The speakers can also stay with the high bass. You don't feel like you have to turn it down to talk.
My name is Courtney Hetner. I am the studio manager at Lean Beam Fitness in Bondi, and I am also an instructor. The sound quality is actually amazing through the speakers in the studio. No matter how loud I turn it up, the quality is perfect every single time. Even if you pump the music, everyone can hear you clearly. It's really important, not so much in the smaller classes, but in those larger classes, it's ideal to have the mic on because you're moving around the room, you're talking to people at different ends, and if you need to all of a sudden call out a cue for a different exercise or count down from anything, everyone can hear you, which is really, really important. I first off started teaching without the microphone, and I just found my voice after 2-3 classes was absolutely shot. It just sounded like razor blades, and it felt like razor blades in my throat. But with the microphone, it just makes a world of difference, especially if you're teaching 5 or 6 classes a day, and you're teaching every day. It really, really saves your voice, and they're really not only practical for the students to be able to hear what we're saying, but it's really important for us to be able to save our voices and be able to continue teaching.